it's me Vaishnav Davangere, and today we're in Pondicherry and I'm flight testing my new drone that I built. So I've used an F450 frame. I have four motors. I have a APM 2.8 flight controller, four ESCs, 4500 mAh battery, Bluetooth module, and a receiver and a transmitter. So we just tested it out, and I still have to do a bit of stabilization to make it more stable, but this was my first drone build and I had a lot of fun building it, programming it, and I can't wait to make more drone videos, test it out. And I've taken a couple of videos, so stay tuned for more. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'm at 1,000 subscribers almost. So thank you so much.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with